This project, Ungdomsringen, and we are involved in, is a project in an island called Bornholm. It's a folk meeting where political parties in Denmark, they are invited to go there, and all NGO in Denmark are going as well. So we have this delegation with our board for adult, the board for adult, and for our young persons board, youth board. They are going to Bornholm to talk about open youth work, what impact it does on everyday's youth, and they are debating about the democratic processes, how they feel about being in a society where it's very important to involve young persons. I think the impact of the young people in this project is that they have a voice, and the voice will be listened not only to other young persons, but also to the politician and to other decision makers. It's very important for our youth board and the young person who is participating in this project that they can feel it, and it matters. It changes something for them.